You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word. I know a lot of people are confused by it, non-native English speakers in particular, but some native English speakers don't pronounce it correctly, so let's clarify it. The pronunciation in English is as cruise. How to pronounce cruise? Yes, you have an oo sound, like a double O. I'll put the phonetic spelling for you on the screen at the bottom. K-R, cr, and then ooze, a long oo sound. How to pronounce? This is a verb, cruise. To cruise, as in a cruise ship, or to cruise on the road, cruise. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.